For this week's quick recipe, we'll be making DIMITRA'S Tiropitakia, baked cheese pastries. For the filling, crumble feta cheese into a bowl, along with beaten egg. Finely chop some fresh mint and spring onions to add to the bowl, and season with salt and pepper. Mix well and put to one side. For the pastry, mix self-raising flour, natural yogurt, and melted butter together to form a soft dough. Tip out onto a floured surface and gently knead for 1 minute. Roll the pastry to 1 centimeter thickness and cut out circles with a wide-rimmed glass. Take one of the pastry circles and fill with a teaspoon of filling. Fold carefully and pinch the pastry closed. Brush the top with beaten egg, sprinkle toasted sesame seeds, and put in the oven to bake for 15 minutes. Serve hot or cold alongside a salad. We recommend Karolina's Ćwikła, beetroot and horseradish salad.